In this video, I will show you how to make a simple avocado spread and 3 sandwich ideas that go well with it. For the first recipe, you will need 2 slices of bread, some smoked salmon, avocado, lemon, lime, and spring onion. Start by getting your spread ready. Cut your avocado in half. Get the seed out. Scoop the avocado from its shell and add it into a bowl. Get a good half a piece of lime and squeeze its juice into the bowl. Add some salt, pepper, and simply smash it all together by using a fork or any other preferred tool. You should end up with a nice avocado spread. After that, spread it on your toast. For lemon, you want to peel it. Then get a single slice and slice it again into 8 pieces. Then chop your spring onion and plate your sandwiches by getting your salmon first, then lemon slices on top of your salmon, and finish it off with a sprinkle of spring onion. For the second recipe, you will need 2 slices of bread, avocado, and lime for your spread, some chickpeas, some dried tomatoes, and red onion. Slice your red onion into half-moon slices, and then slice it again into smaller pieces. Then slice your sun-dried tomatoes. Spread your avocado on the toast. And plate your sandwiches by getting your chickpeas first, then add red onion, some sun-dried tomatoes, and finish it off with a sprinkle of salt. For the third recipe, you will need 2 slices of toast, avocado and lime for the spread, red onion, cherry tomatoes, and chicken. Start with seasoning your chicken breast with some salt and pepper. Give it a rub and then do the same for the other side. Then get your pan on medium heat, add some oil, wait until the pan gets hot, and then cook your chicken breast. Once it becomes crispy and golden, turn it around. While you wait for the other side to cook, get your cherry tomatoes ready. Then chop your onion. Check if your chicken is ready. If you don't want to cut your chicken to see if it's done, you can use your finger. If it feels quite firm, chances are that it's ready. Once it's ready, slice your chicken. Spread your avocado on the toast. And plate your sandwiches. Start with chicken, then add cherry tomatoes and a sprinkle of red onion. These are the 3 simple and delicious avocado spread sandwiches. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to like and subscribe.